What's up guys, my name is Shivansh and I'm back. This is my 14th video and in this video I'll show you two topics. Those are, first you can see over here, the first topic is I'll show you some clips in which batsmen are being out and I'll show you what shot of how could have they played so that they could save their wicket or they wouldn't be out. And this is the second topic, and in this topic I will say you that how to concentrate on the ball, means when the bowler ball, what should be your face action, where should be your eyes when you have to play the ball. So let's begin with the first topic, that is I'll show you some clips and I'll show you how could they played so that they could save their wicket. So let's begin.
Oh, he's bowling!
Successful. Can you turn this one? Straight on with the hand, hitting the top of
Guys, as you saw that when Sachin batted, the first mistake that he did, that without judging the ball, he just went side of the wicket. He should have stood over there and he could play, but the mistake he did is first he went back. He could have played this short drive or he could hit a six, but he went side. And the second mistake was when he went side also, he had a chance to save his wicket. But the problem that he did is, without judging the ball, he hit down. He could have hit up. When he saw the bowler's action and when he saw the pitch, where the ball pitched, then he could get an idea how much height is the ball going to go. So he could play according to that. This is the second video.
16-year-old. Oh, it's a beauty from Cummins. Been the pick of the bowlers today again, Pat Cummins.
That is quality. That's high caliber.
Guys, as you saw the second video, Asad, what did he do? Like when the bowler balled, he just skipped the gap. As I told you in my older videos, when you go front, you should cover your body. I didn't say cover, but you should do in this way so that none of the part gets hit. There will be no gap between any part. When you do this, so there will be no gap. The ball is at this much, not smaller than this also. And I told you the ball and your legs should be at the line of the ball, near the ball. Suppose the ball came here, so he could have kept over here, then he could have done. But instead of doing without judging the ball, he just did it and he kept here so that the ball went and hit it. Guys, now let's move to the second topic, that is the way of focusing. Like when the bowler balls, I told you of judging the ball, looking at it with he's going to do this side, or he's going to get seen. Now, but you have to concentrate. Like when the ball bounces and it comes, after it bounces and comes, when you'll understand when it hits a short pitch, it will come at your head or above it. When it comes at the Yorker, you'll understand that I have to defend. After seeing when the ball came here, you have to be ready at that time to stop a Yorker. And see the next image, it will help you to understand better. Guys, please like, subscribe and share my videos and watch my older videos, and please say in the comment if you have any suggestions regarding any of the video or any of the topic. Guys, that much for today. But before going, let me say today's fact alert. That means interesting fact. Today's fact alert is MS Dhoni has not scored any century outside Asia. Guys, one more thing. This was my 14th video. Now I'll meet you in my 15th video. Till that time, take care and keep practicing.